Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I'd like to welcome to the ring the Ace Subspace Academy Zone, Moonshot Max St. Giovanni! Spectre of this space sector, Moonshot Max St. Giovanni. And ever since my WrestlePro debut, which was right here in Union, New Jersey, by the way. You were there? Hey, thanks, man. I have gone toe-to-toe, face-to-face, mano-a-mano, and brought the cataclysmic cosmic conflict to the very best that WrestlePro has to offer. And it hasn't mattered if it was a monster, or a champion, or a dirty little rat bastard. Every single month at Shotgun Thursday night, I get into this ring and I give everything I have for all of you. In this very ring, I brought the fight to the legendary Dan Moff. I took the silver champion Sean Donovan to his limits. I challenged the gold champion CPA. And I looked the Dominican destroyer Vargas in the eyes and I slapped the paint right off his face. And as I look to the new year, all I can think about is how years ago I sat in the bleachers of the Rawway Rec Center and I watched my brother win the WrestlePro Gold and Silver Championships. And I sat in those bleachers and I watched him and I made a dream that one day I would be a WrestlePro champion too. So in 2025, Moonshot Max St. Giovanni will make that dream come true.
It's not right what he did.
You listen here, LSG. Oh, shut up. Wait. Oh, man, run back. my bad, my boy. My bad. Yo, listen. Ain't nobody come here to hear you talk about your dreams. Talking about songs, what you did, bleachers, your debut. Nobody wants to know all that, man.
I do.
Me too. You don't want you.
I'm the finest guy in the room right now. Who fired me? Who? You? You fired? You? Who fired? I don't see anybody. Yeah, sure. Y'all call my moonshot. He couldn't even beat the name that he said. You know what happened if I went against that mob? I would have smacked him in the face. You know what happened if I went against Sean Donovan? Same shit, right? You know what would have happened? I would have stomped his ass to the ground. You know what happened to Vargas if I went against him?
What's that?
I don't even want to say it. I ain't even gonna do it. If I got the chance to face CPA again, like, I'm really taking the title for him. Hell, I don't even beat your ass. No blackface widow. So you talking about This is my time to shine. He ain't relevant. You talking about the title shot? Boy, you gotta go to me if you want a title shot around here.